Joanne's Friends. Pronunciation Lesson. Instructions. Watch the video lesson to learn how to make this sound correctly so that you can reduce your accent and pronounce the words correctly. You guys did a fantastic job in our last section, and now we are ready to move on to our pronunciation lesson. Once again, we are going to learn a new sound and work with it in the next 3 lessons. Our sound for this unit is the long O sound, like in the words, "Oh no!" You may have already picked up this sound from listening to the mini-story. There are so many words with this sound in the English language, and very soon we will be looking at some of those words. The long O is usually followed by the magic silent E used in the words like Coke. It is the magic E that makes the O turn from a short to a long sound. Then there are words that have the long O sound that can be written with OA and OW in words such as boat and elbow. The OA is usually found in the middle of a word, and the OW is usually found at the end of a word. Don't confuse the OW sound, which we saw in the last unit, with the one from this unit. The sound is very different even though the spelling is the same. But you will pick it up quickly after hearing these sounds in this unit. So let's jump right into comparing our long O sound with some other sounds we have already seen. Make note of the differences in sound with each word. Phone, found. Bone, bound. Soon, sound. Boat, bow. Bowl, bow. No, now. Toe, town. Glow, gown. Rose, rouse. Choose, choice. Hose, house. Nose, noise. Mode, mound. Cone, coin. Host, hoist. Great. So now I want you to go back and repeat each one of the words with me after I say them. If you want to, you can pause the recording so that you can repeat it as many times as needed. Try to imitate the sounds as well as possible. Phone, found. Bone, bound. Soon, sound. Boat, bow. Bowl, bow. No, now. Toe, town. Glow, gown. Rose, rouse. Choose, choice. Hose, house. Nose, noise. Mode, mound. Cone, coin. Host, hoist. Very good. Let's practice these sounds one more time. This time I want you to say the word before I do, and then repeat it again after you hear me say them. Phone. Found. Bone. Bound. Soon. Sound. Boat. bow, bowl, bow, no, now, toe, town, glow, gown, rose, rouse, choose, choice, hose, house, nose, noise, mode, mound, cone, coin, host, hoist. Fantastic! Remember, you can't be intimidated by these sounds. You need to work on the pronunciation until you got it. It is the only way you will reduce your accent and improve your pronunciation. Remember, boys and girls, practice makes perfect.